Animation Infotech. Today we are going to start our Python series. It is helpful for the beginners as well as for the job seeker. In this session, we will see that what are the modules in the Python. So let's see, we will start now. This is the module 1, Introduction to Python. So in this module, we will learn about what is Python, what are the features for the Python, what is the history of the Python, then what are the syntax, what are the syntax for writing the code in Python, how to write the code, how to run the code, then what is the installation and downloads for the running the program. So these all our points are covered in the module 1. Next, module 2. So in module 2 we have to see that in module 2 like that variables and data types. So variables, we know that what are the variables. If you don't know, I will say that what are the variables, what are data types. Data types like integer, float, double, boolean, char, etc. So these are the data types. After that, typecasting. There are the two types, implicit and explicit. These all points are covered in the second module. Next is module 3. In module 3, we have to see that operators. We know that which are the operators, like arithmetic operator, conditional operators, also called as the relational operators, assignment operator, bitwise operator. These are the types of operators which are used for performing the mathematical operations with the help of the mathematical symbols. Like for the other, if we are using the arithmetic operation, at that time we are using symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, etc. So these all points we will see in the third module. Next is the fourth module, where we will see that the conditional statement. We know that which are the conditional statement. Conditional statement means also called as the decision making statement. If there are two conditions, so for that there will be the outputs like true or false. For that we will see that if else, else if ladder, nested if, how to write the code in conditional statement in Python. Next, module 5, that is loops. We know in loops there are the three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. In advanced, we have the for each loop. In that loops, there are some keywords are used like break, continue. Break for the breaking the statement, and continue will skip the statement. After that, loop will be continue. So this will come in module 5. Next, module 6. In module 6, we will learn string. So string is also a data type. String is a non-primitive data type. So in string, what is string? Next is methods of string, like to uppercase, to lowercase, caret method. So these are the string methods we will use in our practically code. Next, module 7. In module 7, we will see that list and tuple. So what is list? What are the tuples? How they use in code? How to use the append method, pop method, remove methods. All these we will see in the module 7. Next, module 8. In module 8, we will see that what is dictionaries and sets. How to write the sets in Python. Next, module 9. In module 9, we will see that functions. So what is function? We will start from what is function. How to call the function. Next is module 10. In module 10, we will see that file handling. In file handling, how to create the files, how to read file, how to delete file. So all these are come in the file handling. Next, module 11. In module 11, we will see that exception handling. In exception handling, there are some points like try block. For the exception handling, we will use some keywords. So how to use that keywords? How they throw the exceptions in our code. If there are some error in our code, at that time it will throw the exceptions. So it will cover in this module. Next, we have to see that how to create the mini projects. All that are based on that 1 to 11 modules. So if you learn all the modules perfectly, at the end you will be able to do the project. So the projects like simple quiz app, Okay, how to make a calculator with the help of the Python code, Python programming. So all these mini projects we will see in the class. That's all about the today's sessions. In the upcoming video, we will see the introduction of the Python, that is first mode. So let's meet in the next video.